Welcome to this tutorial on how to customize the Phantom Wallet extension. The Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. Customizing the wallet extension can enhance your overall experience and provide a more personalized way of managing your digital assets. To begin, you need to have the Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser. If you haven't already, download and install it from the official Phantom Wallet website. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser toolbar to open the wallet. The first step in customizing your Phantom Wallet extension is to set up your wallet profile. This includes adding a profile picture, username, and bio. To do this, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the wallet interface and select Edit Profile. Here you can upload a profile picture and add your username and bio. Next, you can customize the wallet's appearance by changing the theme and layout. The Phantom Wallet offers several pre-designed themes that you can choose from, including light and dark modes. To change the theme, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner of the wallet interface and select Theme. You can then choose from the available themes and customize the layout to your preference. Another important aspect of customizing your Phantom Wallet extension is managing your accounts and wallets. You can add multiple accounts and wallets to your Phantom Wallet, each with its own unique settings and configurations. To add a new account or wallet, click on the Add Account button in the wallet interface and follow the prompts to set up your new account. In addition to customizing your wallet's appearance and managing your accounts, you can also customize your notification settings. The Phantom Wallet allows you to receive notifications for various events, such as transactions and account updates. To customize your notification settings, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner of the wallet interface and select Notifications. Here you can choose which types of notifications you want to receive and how you want to receive them. Finally, it's essential to keep your Phantom Wallet extension up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. To check for updates, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner of the wallet interface and select Check for Updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install the latest version of the Phantom Wallet extension. By following these steps and customizing your Phantom Wallet extension, you can create a more personalized and efficient way of managing your digital assets. Remember to always keep your wallet and accounts secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. With the Phantom Wallet extension, you can easily and securely manage your cryptocurrency and take control of your digital financial future.